Children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Assignment 2, key of class 10th, dated on 3rd July 2020. The topic is vocabulary. Vocabulary from 4th unit, reading C, attribute. Okay, write the meanings to the given words. Magnum opus. Magnum opus, actually this is a foreign word, which means the greatest work. Magnum opus means the greatest work. Second one, 16 Annas Telugu Laws. 16 Annas Telugu Laws. So this is an idiomatic expression. In our mother tongue, Padaharanala Telugu Ammai. So like this, right, means the meaning for this one is perfect Telugu girl. Perfect Telugu girl. Third one, lion's share. Lion's share. This is also an idiomatic expression. Lion's share means a major portion or a major part. That is called lion's share, very big share. Zenith. So this is noun, means peak stage or highest stage. So that is zenith. Encompass. So this one, we can use this one as a noun as well as verb. Include large number. Include large number. Sixth one, evince. Verb. Evince means show clearly that you have feeling for something, great feeling for something. Seventh one, conspire means, say this one, secretly plan with others to do something illegal or harmful. Next, eighth one, sarcasm. The simple word in a single word, say satire. And when we want to write in a lengthy way, the way of one person's using the words of exactly what one means to make fun of other people. So that is sarcasm, satire, ironical. Then ninth one, christen. So verb. Christen means, see here, to give, literary meaning, to give a baby a certain name at the time of baptism to enter into the church, right? So that is christen, to give a name at the time of baptism. 10th one, endure means, so this is verb, to exist or survive long. Endure means to exist or survive for a long time. So that is endure. Once again children, see, magnum opus, the greatest work, 16 Annas Telugulas, perfect Telugu girl, lines to share, a major portion or major part, zenith, peak, encompass, include large number, evince, show clearly that you have feeling, conspire, secretly plan with others to do something illegal or harmful, sarcasm, satire, christen, to give a name at the time of baptism, endure, to exist or survive for a long time. Thank you, all the best.